Hello friends, today we'd like to introduce you to the many benefits of the chest rub balm. It has got many benefits. Number one, it's a preventive. If you feel your child or any adult is coming on with the symptoms of cold or any kind of cough, the last thing at night, apply this in the front half of the chest, back and under the feet, and chances are next morning you may not need any medication. That's what the feedback has been of many mothers. Number two, you can even use it in changing season, for example, in the rainy season, or even when the season is going to change to autumn or winter, as a preventive every alternate night, the last thing at night before going to bed.